moving around. Yeah.
All right. Can you see the slides?
Yeah.
Switch all good?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, sweet. So, this is What's Going On, an accessible alert system solution made by the Hack Street Boys, which is myself, Thomas Herbert, and my friend Raul Manuf. Here's a brief table of contents. We've got the project introduction and background. Why do we need it? We'll show you a working live demo and talk about where we're going next. So I'll just hand over to Raul for the intro.
Cool. Thanks, Tom. So basically, this is a quick project introduction of what we made and, a few of the core components. So this is a centralized alert system which uses cutting edge technology regarding emergency responses and has leveraging of geospatial elements through integration of data across multiple mediums and sources. So we provide a very comprehensive overview of our monitoring system, which our key goal is to enhance public safety. So some of the core components I mentioned before, we have alert management, geospatial features, which enables us to see what's happening around us, nearby us, and just in the general regions, as well as custom-built data pipelines, which we are able to automate using artificial intelligence, as well as a very intuitive user experience. So I'll hand it back to Tom for a quick demo.
Yep. Okay, so I'll get onto the demo now. Here we have the website. So you can see the public alert system. We've got the current alerts. You're able to filter through them based on their category. So if you want to see only transport alerts, here we go. We've also got an alert map, which is connected to our filter system. So we've got a bridge
Nice.
inspection in Piermont, train station closure. If we only want to see high alerts, then we'll have a look. No serious transport ones in Sydney. We have a look at all the others. We've got a building site collapse in the Sydney CBD. And say you want to query and you want to ask, you want to type your question instead of using the filter section. All we have to do is go, what's going on with trains in Sydney? Sydney. It'll connect to our backend, which leverages embeddings and RAG system. As the latest alerts, there are train delays on the Western Line in Sydney. And as we can see here, we've actually got this alert. Perhaps I'll ask one more question just to show the system working again. Uh, Perhaps what should I be careful of in Parramatta? That's searching. Sometimes this can take a minute because obviously it's actually reaching through the APIs. Flash flooding
Yeah.
alert is active for areas near Parramatta River. We have a look at weather. Got a flash flooding warning in Parramatta CBD. So that's a brief demo. We've actually got this working prototype and there's more we can do, but we're just trying to keep it short and simple. I'll bring us
Yeah.
back to the slides.
Just quickly, Tom, I think you should give a show of the
Yep.
alert map. The other
Yeah,
one, what's by? I think that was a pretty cool feature we put
sweet.
together
Sorry.
as well. Just the one underneath that, the alerts near you, if you hit that location symbol to your right,
Yep.
yeah, we can
Oh,
filter based on what's going on. So if you just change the filters, you'll be
yep.
able to see nearby events within, I guess there's nothing really around Tom,
Yeah,
but
yeah. So I'm
that is a
likely to just dox
yeah.
myself, but clearly we've got the map APIs working well.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you happy with that? Is there anything else you want to show, Raul? Or
I think back to presentation.
all right, sweet. So why do we need it? We want accessible alert information for all. One of the reasons I actually sort of had a bit of inspiration for this idea, actually both of us, was because coming up back home after the hackathon, I was looking for information on trains. It took me 3 hours to get 30 minutes home, and I thought, it's ridiculous that I have to pay to access a news article that's 5 hours old, and I have to log into X just to see, updates from Transport New South Wales. And I thought there should be a system that's centralized, easy to use, and incorporates, modern technology. So,
100%.
do you want to take us through just this? Where do we go next, Raul?
Yeah, sure thing. So I guess the future possibilities for this project is working on things like fine-tuned embeddings so we can really leverage and make use of vectorization and how the AI space is shaping. So that can be through custom trained LLMs to scrape website data and vectorize that store within our database to have a far more comprehensive, I guess, alert system rather than depending on other people. It can be autonomous to a certain nature. So yeah, I think that's honestly a pretty good mix of both of our future aspirations. But yeah,
All right.
thanks.
I think that sums us up first. Thank you. I hope that wasn't too long. And that was me, Thomas Herbert, and
Me, Rowan.
All
Thank you
right,
so much.
awesome.